Hey guys, and today I'm in a thunderstorm. It's really thundering out there.
Are you recording a YouTube video?
Yeah. Guess what? I actually have like this app called Intro Maker. You can actually
Edit your YouTube videos?
yeah, you can edit your YouTube videos with this thing called Video Shop. And my hair's so sweaty. My hair's sweaty.
You're just playing laser tag and stuff.
Yeah, we were just playing laser tag in my friend Dom's basement. It was so fun. And anyway, this is my friend Keyshawn.
What's up?
Follow him on Facebook. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so it don't best. Bye.